Basics of popular operating systems: Windows and Linux. Windows and Linux both have a user-friendly graphical user interface, GUI. GUI includes such things as pull-down menus, buttons, scroll bars, iconic images, and wizards. They allow users to interact with the programs without having to type the commands from the keyboard. Users can use pointing devices like mouse to perform specific tasks on computer system. Linux. Linux is a multitasking, multi-user operating system. It means that many people can run many different applications on one computer system at the same time. Linux is a generic term referring to Unix-like computer operating systems based on the Linux kernel. Their development is one of the most prominent examples of free and open source software collaboration. Typically, all the underlying source code can be used, freely modified, and redistributed both commercially and non-commercially. Linux is predominantly known for its use in servers, although it can be installed on a wide variety of computer system hardware. Linux distributions installed both on desktop and laptop computer systems have become increasingly commonplace in recent years. The name Linux comes from the Linux kernel, originally written in 1991 by Linus Torvalds. Microsoft Windows. Windows operating system is GUI based and can be used on desktop computer systems. Its interface has following properties. Title bar. Located at the top of the window, the title bar contains the name of the program you are working with, and in some cases, the name of the opened document also appears. Window management buttons. Located at the right end of the title bar. Minimize button. The users click the minimize button to collapse the window into a button on the window taskbar called minimizing the window. Restore button. When the window fills the entire screen, the user clicks the restore button so that the window occupies only a part of the screen called reducing the window. Maximize button. When the window occupies only a part of the screen, the user can click the maximize button so that the window fills the screen called maximizing the window. The maximize and restore down buttons share a position on the title bar. Only one button appears at a time. Close button. The users click the close button to close the window. If the window contains a program or file, closing the window might also exit the program or close the file. Menu bar and toolbar. Located below the title bar, a menu bar provides drop-down list called menus of the commands the users click to give instructions regarding the contents of the window. A toolbar displays visual representations of the commands as buttons. Scroll bars. The scroll bars allow us to move throughout the page in a quick and simple manner. Simply drag the bar with the mouse or click on the arrows. There are bars to move along the width of the page and the bars to move along the height of the page. The little square with dots on the right is used to change the size of the window. Simply click and drag. Vertical and horizontal scroll bars. Located on the right side and the bottom of a window when it is not big enough to show all its contents. The user uses the vertical scroll bar to move the contents up and down within the window, and the horizontal scroll bar to move the contents from side to side. Status bar. Located at the bottom of the window, this bar provides information about the contents of the window and sometimes about on-screen elements the user points or clicks. Desktop. The desktop is the on-screen work area on which windows appear. In our case, it will be the Windows 7 desktop. It is the first screen that appears when the operating system is initialized.